Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 12.2, we are going to continue our focus on sentence elaboration. Follow the steps you did in the previous two activities to help you complete this activity. Your task is to write 10 sentences using adjectives and adverbs, if you can, which add details. Let's jump right in and do number 1 together. It says, Sarah reads a book. As you know, this is a simple sentence. The first question we should ask is, where is Sarah reading? We can say, Sarah is reading on the couch. The second question we can ask is, how can we describe the couch? Or, how can we describe the book? Pause the video and describe one or both of these nouns. Okay, let's start with the book. You can describe the book however you like. For example, Sarah reads a romance book on the couch. Then we can use a color to describe her couch, like blue. So I came up with, Sarah reads a romance book on her blue couch. This says a lot. Now we can add an adverb to describe how she is reading. We can say, Sarah comfortably reads a romance book on her blue couch. It's good to keep in mind that sometimes you don't have to add an adverb, but for the sake of practice, we will do it for this activity. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. It reads, we play a game. Pause the video here and describe the game and the verb play. What did you come up with? You can share your sentence in the comments section of this textbook. Now, for reference, I came up with, we play a fun game loudly. Yes, sometimes playing a game can get loud. All right, we'll do number 3 together, but then you will be on your own. It reads, he writes a letter to the man. Pause the video here and describe the letter, the man, and the verb writes. Well, I am betting you came up with something interesting. Write your sentence in the comments section of this video because I would like to read it. Anyway, I came up with this. He tearfully writes an emotional letter to the old man. I imagine a young man writing to an old person far away who could be related to him. Great job so far. Now, your task is to complete numbers 4 through 10. Once you complete your sentences, share them with your teacher, a classmate, a tutor, or with me. You can write your sentences in the comments section of this video if you choose to do so. I am more than happy to give you my feedback. I am happy to know you continue to make progress. You deserve a lot of credit. Remember to like this video and share it with others. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment and let us know how we're doing, or if you have a question. I will answer just about anything. Be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com to get up-to-date information about the textbooks and also for articles related to language learning. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.